Hello, everyone. Welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button. Also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time in my next video.
Power to the people. Power to the youth. Power to the women. Power to Gbos River State. My dear people, first of all, let me apologize for coming late. But again, my coming late has shown that you are prepared to take over Gbos River State in 2023. PDP not the only party. PDP not the only party. Every other party that's also yeah. Every other party that's also yeah. So I'm not. I can go home. Feel fulfilled that Gbos River belongs to PDP. And PDP is Gbos River. Let me thank all our leaders, through the main leader, the former governor, distinguished senators, party chairman, all of you. When I was told that they don't want you to hold this rally, I said, fa, 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 fa. I said, fa, fa, fa. I said, this rally must hold today. And I must come. Whatever will happen, let it happen today. How many days when we no go win them? How many days? Let me tell you, I told your leader, if you did not hold this rally today, then that would be the end of PDP. But I thank God, all of you resisted it. And you said enough is enough. Let me tell you now, I have come here today to let you know I'm going to give you every support. Every support. This me, I face you. I know what I know. Okay, I rock you. I'm here you today. I say if I get on before, I know what I know. There is another kind of me. I'm a people kind of me. What's up? What's up? Now, let me tell you, don't be afraid. Do not be afraid. They tried it in River State. We resisted them. So they are trying to instigate fear in you. Don't be afraid at all. Whatever private state government can do, PDP can do it better. I don't understand how a governor will ordinary federal constituency election, ordinary state election, and you are stopping them from holding rally. When it comes to governorship, what will happen? I thought, as a governor with very high budget, I thought the only way to test whether you have done well for your people is to allow them to hold the rally and see whether people will go. When people don't go, you know that I'm through. My people are with me. But now that people have come, it should give you that, my brother, things are not well. What is so? Things are not well. You see, now, Nigeria, not to say it before, why they have not signed the Electora Act It's because they are afraid of their results to be transmitted electronically. So your governor here is one of them pushing for that amendment to be signed so they can use security to carry results. I tell you, so 2023, not 2019. 2023, not 2019. Anyway, when they made a yarabo, and I don't tell the talk. What can I tell them? Say 2023, not 2019. If you don't say you don't do something, no fear. As I done for the first stage now, I don't need to tell anything. If you call for rally, nobody will go. Because if they say, what do you want to tell them? They will tell you, say, now fly over 1, fly over 2, fly over 3, fly over 4, fly over 5, fly over 6, fly over 7, fly over 8, fly over 9, fly over 10. We got the combo. We got the combo. Yes, sir, we got the combo. You don't go through, you don't go through. Check for your house. What is important in life? The opportunity our party gave and they sold us out. Come and change. Make cross reference to be better. Anybody from Rivers State is a proud person. Anywhere we go, because they say that state don't change. Yeah, instead of improving on what our people have done, PDP, they are destroying everything that we have done. But 2023 they are out. But the only way we can show in this election is it 26. Not be so? Not be so? Make I tell you. You heard what happened in FCT. Not be so? That one is small thing. Now this election for Cross River, they will not say true. Okay. Not be so? Nobody should have said, look, I have prayed to the CP. The man won't stop on that. As a CP, make you go learn what happened to others when they did for River State Road. Make I not cost you. If I cost them, anything else you make it take. And they hear me, but our leader tell me, say, I beg, make I no cost. I ain't make. But if they still they behave like this, I carry the power we're going to give me. Now wahala frabo. So make everybody not fear. Mobilize our people for the state constituency election and the federal constituency. We must defeat APC. We must defeat APC. Maybe so. Anything what they want to bring, who will bring it 2 times? I don't come here control. I don't come here control. Look. All these things what they carry for president, who would not come here? Would not come here now? We must win this election first. Not so. If this president or not be president, when the time reach, we talk. Not so. To this one will come now for the federal election. Why we will not win? What do they talk again now? Not so. We will win the election properly. The only way we will win, make everybody come out. For that federal country, protect your vote. Not so. Operation protect your. Operation protect your. Follow the bomba. Before they know we don't win them. And let me tell you, before the election, we will see come. You understand me? We will see come. We don't do any other work now. Now this election, now the work we'll get. So I thank God for the way water come out. And because of that, for the way water don't wait till tire, leader go see on. Leader go see on. Because nobody no contract and I go back. We don't do that. Now na serious period. Now talk and do not so.